Radiation, not just any radiation. The ionizing nuclear radiation, emitted from tiny atomic nuclei breaking apart. Those high-speed particles collide with molecules and ionize them. Because they change the number of electrons in the valence shell, millions of atoms decay and emit radiation. It also depends on how short the half-life is. Half-life is a property of a radioactive isotope that tells us how much time would it take for half of those atoms to decay. This means that isotopes with shorter half-lives would usually be more dangerous. You may have heard about a place called Chernobyl where a nuclear accident contaminated the place with radioactive material, caused the city to be a ghost town as there was nothing people could do about it. Scientists, especially the nuclear ones, must be very cautious about radiation poisoning, as ionizing radiation can damage your DNA to the extent that it undergoes mutation replicating cancer cells. It can be life-threatening. Symptoms of radiation poisoning include nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, headache, fever, anemia, bloody vomit if high, hair loss, weakness, and fatigue. The danger can vary depending on what type of radiation it is. One of the most dangerous ionizing radiations is alpha particles. A helium nucleus is shoved out of the unstable nucleus. It is dangerous because of its high ionizing power, as it has a +2 net charge and is massive, compared to other particles. But because of its big mass, it can't penetrate your skin well from the outside. It is only dangerous if it is inside. Then we have beta decay emission, which is also extremely dangerous but not as much as alpha radiation inside the body because it is just emitted dangerous electrons. But it is more dangerous when it is outside of the body, as it can penetrate your skin well. Gamma rays that are very commonly emitted are the most penetrating, but they do the least damage. Still, they are quite dangerous because they are usually emitted after every decay. If you think you are exposed to radiation, you should remove your outer layer of clothes and wash them, as they might be contaminated, and seek medical attention.